Hi there, I bought them for my helicopter. Actually, I soldered at first time my ESCs for the motors, but I will make plugs for them because it's very hard to take back, make operations. If the ESC fails, it's better to make flex connections, and then it is better for use it there, and I will make operation. Actually, I advise to buy so many of them because always we need connections, specific connections for good voltage. Also, this T plug voltage transfer is better than others, I think, and I can make texture with my soldering iron on the plastic face. Also, they very they are very good survivor for higher heats, and this set is female and male plugged together. It's not make you complicated how much you have which one. It is better to use them and buy